Hope you have written this down. Right, Budhi. So, directed numbers, right? So, but the important lesson, as I told you in last week, alright. So, I will discuss some homeworks from this one first. So then you can refresh your mindset. Alright, refresh your mindset. So, I will do page number 3. Page number 3. Review exercise. Right? Review exercise. Second question. Second question, part E. Second question, part E. So here we have -8 brackets addition -8. So the thing that you have to remember is both of the numbers are negative. Both of the numbers are negative. That means to the same side. To the same side. What we have to do? Add. Not subtraction. Just add them. So can you remember if you have same signs under addition, you have to do the addition. Keep that in your mind. Nothing changes. You have to do the addition. Right? And when you see the directed numbers, are they same sign or different sign? Are they same sign or different sign? Negative, negative, -8, -8. Same sign. If you have same signs, you have to follow 2 steps to do the addition. Right? So what are the 2 steps? Just add the numbers 8 plus 8, 16. Right? So that is your answer. 8 plus 8, 16. This is negative, this is negative. So put the sign. -16. Done. Right? Because this is addition. Right? If this is negative, right? If this one becomes negative, right? That means if this addition becomes subtraction, then you have to use what? Additive inverse. Right? Additive inverse. Right? If this becomes negative, right? If you have subtraction, you have to use additive inverse. But this is addition. You know how to do addition anywhere, right? Alright? Right. So answer should be -16. Then F. මේ පට්ට ලේසියින ඕල්ලා පොසිටිව් නේ. මේක සමහර අය වරද්දලා තිබ්බා. හොඳේ. Some of you have got wrong answers for this one. I do not know. Right? May add. Right? Direct all the directed numbers are positive. Positive. Addition. Add karanna. Please add them. Right? So all the directed numbers are in same sign. You have to follow 2 steps. What are the 2 steps? Just add the numerical values. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Right? Then how to decide the sign? Right? Put the same sign to your result or to your answer. Right? Then I will do H. Because H and G are same. Right? -2. You have to do the addition. Doesn't matter. -5 and -3. Right? Negative number, addition. You have to do the addition. So how we are going to do? All are in same sign. Negative. So just add the numbers. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Right? Then put the same sign. That is negative. Because all of the numbers are to the same direction. Right? Right. Then I thought you have 2 fractions plus 2 upon 7, right? Plus, that means addition, you have to add -4 upon 7, right? Okay, Budhi. Now if you have two fractions with the same denominator, right? Do you need to care about the denominator? No. You can just forget the denominator. You can just forget the denominator for a moment. For 1 second, you can forget the denominator because those denominators are same. 7, 7, right? Right. Okay, now what you have to do? Plus 2 plus negative 4. First of all, you have to check, are they in same sign? Positive 2 and negative 4. No, they are in different signs. If you have different signs, what you are going to do? Take the two numbers, right? Then get the subtraction. So what are the two numbers you are having here? 2 and 4. Right? 2 and 4. How to get the subtraction? 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. Right? So 2. Right? So how we are going to decide the sign of these two? By looking at the biggest number. Biggest number, is it 2 or is it 4? It is 4. What is the sign of that 4? Negative, negative. So this answer is negative, but don't forget to put the denominator. Answer should be negative 2 upon 7. Right? Very simple thing to follow. I have given all the things in the tune. You have to just go with them. You have to just follow the steps. Right? Some of you are not doing the same thing. I do not know why. Right? Right. Then I will do K. Right? K. Negative 8.41 brackets plus, right? Then positive 6.63. You know how to add or subtract decimal numbers. Right? So if you care about these two, what about the signs? This is negative 8.41. This is positive 6.63. What you have to do? You have to add them. Add them. Addition, right? Doesn't matter. So if you have two different signs with the two different numbers, right? Two different signs, not the same sign, different signs. You have to do the addition. Follow the 3 steps. Right? So what are the three steps? Take the two numbers, right? 8.41 and 6.63, right? Because these two numbers are different in sign, negative and positive. Mix ne, different signs ne. So get the subtraction of these two numbers first. So here you have 1 minus 3, you can't do. Take 1 from here, then this becomes 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Right? So now here you have 3. You cannot subtract 3 minus 6. So take 1 from here. This becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Right? So here we had earlier 8, but we have taken 1 to this side, to our right hand side. Now here we have 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer will be 1.78. This is not the final answer. We have to decide this whether this is positive or negative. How to decide that? Which number is the biggest number? 6.63 or 8.41? This is the biggest number, right? The sign of the biggest number is negative. So your answer should be definitely negative. Right? Now wait. Those who have sent me the homeworks, I have corrected them and sent it back. Right? Keep that in your mind. Right? Right. Okay. Hirusha, what I was going to tell is, please change your DP. Right? Anyway, profile picture change kar it's
in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp.
No, not WhatsApp. WhatsApp is Zoom. It's distracting me. හරිද? මට අර ඒක එක එක දුවනවා වෙනවා මට ඒක පාට. මේකින් පොඩ්ඩක් මාව distract වෙනවා. හරි? හරි. Right, okay. So that is the end of review exercise homeworks. Then I will do Did we do the examples from page number 6 and 7? I think no, right? Right, page number 6. I will do last two examples first. Correct? Page number 6. That is example number 30. Right? So this one is very easy, but most of you have got the wrong answer for this one. Right? I do not know why is that. Right? So now you need to be very careful about what? Right? About what? So I will show you that. Now previously we had, right, here addition, 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 addition. Okay, sorry, प्रश्न को sorry प्रश्न को हो गया ना नहीं Javiru, I just saw the message. Message then negative. Why is that? You are not having the cube with you? The Javiru is on the idea camera, then off now my Javiru prashna, right? Right, okay. So then may please turn on your cameras, it will be very easier for me to teach you, right? So then, right? Okay. So the here, what is the change that you are seeing now? Right? Previously we have done, right? Previously we have done the addition of two directed numbers. Addition of 2 or 3 directed numbers. Addition. But you know how to do the addition with same signs and different signs. But here what do you have? You need to notice that. You need to be very careful with that first. Here you have negative sign. You know how to convert negative sign into a positive sign. Subtraction into an addition. You know how to convert this subtraction into addition because you know very well how to do the addition by using same sign theory and different sign theory. 2 steps and 3 steps. You know how to do the addition, but you do not know how to do this. In order to that, you know something else. What is that? You know how to convert this negative sign into a positive sign. How? Additive inverse, right? Additive inverse. So equal mark. First of all, you need to do that. This is negative 25. Right? You have to write as it is the first number. Negative 25. Negative 25. Right? As it is. Then you are going to convert your negative sign into positive sign. Negative into positive. Then is that all? No. This is positive 13. You have to convert that positive 13 into negative 13 at the same time. Negative into positive, positive into negative. Do the opposite. Now what is this? Now this is again addition. The previous way. You know how to do that. Now again check. This is negative number. This is negative number. What easy? You have to add them. How? Right? These two numbers are same sign. Negative, negative. Right? Just add the numbers. 25 plus 30. Right? 25 plus 30. 38. Right? How to decide the sign? You have to put the same sign because these two numbers are same sign. Negative. Done. Right. Then I will do the example number 40. In page number 6, right. Negative 18 subtract plus 2. Right. Negative 18 subtract plus 2. So again, see, what do you have here? Subtraction. Do you know how to subtract? No, not yet. Right. Do you know how to convert that subtraction into an addition? Yes. How to do that? Additive inverse. Right. Do the additive inverse thing here. Because this is a negative. Equal mark. Negative 18. Convert this negative into positive. At the same time, you have to convert this positive 2 into negative 2. That is your additive inverse. Right? So, now this is positive. That means addition. You know how to add them. You know how to add them. Right? So, how to add them? Right. First of all, you need to see whether your 18 and 2, those two numbers are same sign or different signs. Check them. Negative 18, negative 2. Same sign. You have to follow the 2 steps to do the addition. Alright. So, how to do that? Just add the numbers 18 plus 2, 20. Right? Then put the same sign, negative 20. Right? Done. Yeah. Right. Then page number 7. Page number 7. Example number 15, right? Please rename them. The first example. First on top of that, right? So we have positive 3 upon 5. Negative 2 upon 5. Right? Positive 3 upon 5 and negative 2 upon 5. Sorry, subtract positive 2 upon 5. Again, we have negative subtraction in the middle. We have to subtract those two fractions. Right? And you know how to convert that subtraction into an addition. Right? So, first of all, you need to do that. 3 upon 5. This is negative. So that means subtraction, convert it into positive. At the same time, you have to get the additive inverse of this. Negative 2 upon 5. Right? Negative 2 upon 5. So now you have two fractions name. And you have to check whether you have equal denominators or different denominators. Now you have equal denominators. For a moment, forget the denominator. For a moment. Now in the numerator, you are having positive 3, right? And negative 2. Positive 3 and negative 2. You have to do the addition. Are they same sign or different sign? Different sign. So you have to follow the 3 steps. Right? 3 steps. So you have to follow the 3 steps. So first of all, take the two numbers, right? 3 and 2, right? So you will be having 3 and 2. Then get the subtraction. 3 minus 2 equals 1. How to decide the sign of this one? What is the biggest number? 3 or 2? 3 is the biggest number. That is positive. So this is positive. So 1 upon 5. What is right? Example number 16. The next one. Right? Example number 16. So same thing. Positive 3 upon 5. Positive 3 upon 5. subtract negative 1 upon 5. So what you have to do? Subtraction. Okay? In the middle you have subtraction. How to do that? You know how to do the additive inverse of that. Alright. So how to convert this negative sign into a positive sign? So this is positive 3 upon 5. Don't do any changes for the first number. Don't do any changes for the first number. Keep as it is. Correct? So this is negative. Convert it into positive. At the same time, you have to get the additive inverse of the second number. Right? This is negative. Convert it into positive 1 upon 5. Right? So now, what do you have? Right? Are they same sign? Yes, yes, mate. Positive, positive, positive. All are positive. So it doesn't matter if just add them. 3 plus 1, 4. Denominator is 5. This is positive. Same sign. Right? Just add the numbers, put the sign. Just add the numbers, 3 plus 1, 4. Put the sign. Positive. Done. Example number, then I will do 70. Right? Example number 70. Positive 3.5. Subtract positive 2.5. Positive 2.5. Right. So how to do that? Again, check the middle operation. What is the operation? Subtract. Do you know that? Right? Do you know how to do subtraction? No. You know only how to add. So convert that subtraction into an addition. Additive inverse. Plus 3.5. Positive 3.5. This is subtraction. Convert it into addition. At the same time, you have to get the additive inverse of the second number. Right? Now check the two numbers are in same sign or different signs. Positive 3.5 and negative 2.5. Two different signs. So take the two numbers and get the subtraction. 3.5 and 2.5. Get the subtraction 1.0. Right? So the answer is 1. No need to put C.0. There is no value in that. So how to decide the sign of the answer? Whether you have to check 3.5 is bigger or 2.5 is bigger. 3.5 is the big brother. So big brother's sign is positive. So this is positive 1. Right? Then I will do 19 and 20, last two. Right? Example 19. Negative 25.8. Negative 25.8. Subtract positive 13.2. Right? Positive 13.2. Again, you have to do the subtraction in the middle. Not the addition. You know how to convert it into addition. Right. So, additive inverse. Negative 25.8. Convert this negative into positive. Then at the same time, you have to get the additive inverse of 13.2. Right? Negative 13.2. Right? So, how to get the answer? You have to check whether the two numbers, this one and this one, have the same sign or different sign. Check. Negative 2.5, negative 13.2, right? Negative, doesn't matter. Just add the two numbers, put the same sign. So, add the two numbers. Here, 8 plus 2, 0, 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 39. Right? So your answer will be 39.0. 0.0 is not needed. Right? Yes. So what is the sign? This is negative, this is negative. Same sign, put the same sign here. For your answer as well. Negative 39. Huh? Right. So then example number 20. Yes, I will do it here. Huh? Example number 20. Negative 18 brackets subtract negative 22.5. Now, what you have to do? Add or subtract? Subtract. Do you know that? No. So, convert it into addition. Negative 18. This is subtraction, convert it. Addition. So, at the same time, you have to get the additive inverse of this. Negative 2.5, additive inverse is positive 2.5. Right? Okay. Then, you know how to do this. You know how to do the addition of two directed numbers. So check whether the numbers are same sign or different. Same sign or difference. Negative 18, positive 2.5. Negative 18 and positive 2.5. Different signs. Negative and positive. If you have different signs, follow the 3 steps that I have given you. 3 steps. So just take the two numbers, right? 18 and 2.5 and get the subtraction, right? 18.0 minus 2.5, subtract 2.5, get the subtraction. Here 10 minus 5, 5. Here we had earlier 8, now we have 7, 7 minus 2, 5, right? So here we have 1, right? 15.5, right? So how to decide the sign of 15.5, whether it is positive or negative? Who is the big brother? 18 or 2.5? Big brother is 18. Sign is negative. So this is negative. And right, this is it. Right. Okay. Right. So this is the end of the homework discussion, right? So we are going to do the multiplying and dividing directed numbers. Or multiplying and dividing directed numbers.